What's up, guys? It's Jonathan with One Big Impact. So we're gonna do a recipe video today, and it's going to be like Atkins keto low carb chicken sandwiches, something like that. Let's go get started. Step number 1, find your chicken. Step number 2, find more chicken. Step number 3, find the rest of the ingredients. Step number 5. Yes, I'm aware I can't count. Step number 4. Cut the chicken with a knife down the center, like it's your problems. Oh yeah. Get in there. Shit. Screw that up. See that? La 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 la. Screw it up. Try again. Let's try this again. We got it. We go. Mama, 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 mama. Step number 6. Stop fucking around. Step number 8. Make some bacon. It's actually not affiliated with it. That's okay, because bacon's great, and we're gonna put it in anyway. Step number 9. With these little flappers, open up the lid, put the top on, like so. Preheat it. 350, not 450. Put this sucker in 30 minutes. 15-20, check it, make sure it's not too cooked. You're actually just pre-cooking it, because you're actually going to finish cooking it on here with some olive oil or some spray. Spray like that, olive oil spray. Spray it, spray the chicken, flip, 7 minutes each. Let's go check it out. Oh, wait, next. Step number 10. Cut these suckers. Not too much. Watch the calorie content, or the carb content on these guys. Step number, who freaking knows? Cut all your stuff up. Romaine lettuce, red onions, cheese, block cheese, toilet paper, tomato sauce, tomatoes. These are tomatoes, okay? You ever done this? Look. Let's see. Ready? Juice it up real good. Juice that sucker up. Juice it up. Okay? Juice it up. Go ahead. It's fine. Nobody's gonna care. It's fine. Ready? Didn't work. Yeah. Oh crap. Well, that sure in the hell ain't working. What the f? Let's try an underhand shot. Ready? Hook shot. Ready? Did it work? Yeah. Alright, well. Okay, leave that fucking step out. Leave the damn step. Mother. Leave the step. Shit. Here. You want this? Get it. Good boy. Don't you two look real naked? What you got going there? Okay. Let's take them over here. Step number 57,000. Wait for your bacon to cook. Pull out the bacon. Leave in the grease. Put these guys in the grease. Continue cooking with the cheese and the onions. Nothing else. Final step. Eat the little bastards. Why? Because they look freaking amazing. Yes. Yes, they do. Yeah, buddy. Leftover bacon. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Jonathan again with One Big Impact. If you're new here, please check us out on Facebook. Our group is called Healthy Living for a Healthy Life. If you're following a keto, Atkins, low carb, or any other type of healthy lifestyle, I don't care if it's vegan, whatever it is, okay? If you're a bodybuilder, that's fine. Keep up the good work. Keep kicking ass. Be stronger than excuses. Don't give up. Trust the process. It's gonna come. Drink your damn water and have a beautiful day, guys. Keep up the good work. Peace.